Hi, I'm Isabel, and I would like to tell you more about learning tools that help me achieve my learning goals. These learning tools are lists and calendars. When my learning goal is to have constant reminders of what I need to do, and also to stay organized for school, work, and my social life, I use lists. This helps me figure out what the steps are for me to achieve these goals. It also helps me remember to do all of these steps. And it also gives me a good sense of accomplishment when I'm done with something and to be able to scratch it off the list. Calendars help me plan ahead and also remember short-term tasks as well as long-term tasks. And something that makes it more fun, engaging, and interesting is color coding. In this calendar, the color representation helps me keep track of my tasks without having to read. Being aware of your learning goals, as well as incorporating these learning tools, will help you be more effective, efficient, and motivated.